Hello and welcome to my active kitchen. Today I am showing you how to make this super easy, super delicious spaghetti jollof. To get started, here are the ingredients you will be needing. You need some spaghetti. You can use any other pasta of choice, cayenne pepper, curry powder, thyme, chicken bouillon powder, vegetable oil. You can use any oil you have, cooking oil you have, some salt, smoked paprika, garlic granules, tomato puree, basil leaf, and some chopped green onions. Start by adding cayenne pepper to the tomato puree. Add water and mix to combine to form a light paste. Then bring the spaghetti to boil until al dente in salted water. I like to boil my pasta in hot boiling water. While this is going on, make sure you reserve some pasta water to use later. So make the jollof sauce while the pasta is cooking if you have two stove tops. Heat up some oil on medium heat. Then saute some onion until soft and translucent. To the sauteed onions, add the tomato puree mix, curry powder, thyme, smoked paprika, bouillon powder, and the garlic granules. Then mix to combine. Continue to cook for another 5 minutes, stirring intermittently to avoid the sauce from burning. Add pasta water to the sauce, check for salt and seasoning and adjust the taste. Remember, the pasta is already salted, so don't go overboard. Continue to cook the sauce for another 10 to 15 minutes or until it no longer tastes tomatoey. Add the cooked spaghetti to the sauce. Mix or toss to combine and continue to cook for another 3 to 5 minutes. You can add more pasta water to this if need be. So finally, you add the chopped green onions and some fresh basil leaves. Then give it a good toss. Take it off the heat and serve. I hope you like this recipe. Please, if you do, give me a huge thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't. I really want to see you again. Thank you, and I'll see you in my next video.